Oh, this should be good. Come on then, small dick, let's see what you got. Oh,
You are going to wish you never came here, you stupid fucking cum drop.
No, Scott, don't do it. You have nothing to prove.
Oh dude, you are so dead you don't even...
oh, that's what you think, Kamehameha.
Oh fuck me, you have got to be joking. Oh what the fuck, how the hell can you do that? It's like we are in some sort of shitty cartoon.
Ha ha ha, bet you didn't see that coming.
Oh, you are going to fucking regret that. Get fucking ready, dickhead. Big bang attack.
Oh shit, give me a fucking break, Kamehameha. Suck it, fuck face. What are you on? That shit never happened. Ha ha ha, I know, but it would be funny if it did.
Hey fags, do any of you dudes know how to spell apple?
What the fuck are you, Tommy? Some thick cunt. Get the fuck out of here, Tommy, and while you're out, find yourself a fucking brain, and no, I don't mean be a zombie.
Well fuck you guys then. Owen Scott, tell Carol I'll be round later, ha ha ha.
What a dickhead he is anyway. I'm out of here, catch you later, cock.
Oh, that's right, Mr. Pitt, you know how to touch me. Come on, make me scream.
Oh hell yes, baby, I hear you coming, or at least you will be in a minute.
I bet that's what you say to all the girls, or at least you would if you didn't value your balls.
Okay, what the fuck just happened? Last thing I remember was plowing Sarah, and now for some reason I'm in a forest. Okay, what the fuck was that? Well, I guess we will find out the answer to that next time.